These jam blocks are the exact same size, same weight, but do they sound different? That's for you to decide. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I designed and 3D printed these jam blocks. Same size, same weight, but do they sound different? This one is a normal block with a rounded slit. This one, basically same as the other block, just with the wavy bottom. And this one is a rectangular block with the wavy slit. And in this video, I'm gonna use tools that my partner and I designed and 3D printed to test them out. At first, I was gonna do 3 different sizes, but I feel like that's already been done before. Instead of changing the size, I kept everything the same and only changed one feature at a time. That way we can actually hear what each change does. A more controlled experiment, if you will. Once the design is laid out, we extrude all to the same size, then we boolean everything together, and they're ready to print. Not gonna show printing, but we're gonna print them. To test the sounds out, I have a drumstick my partner made in PLA. Does this look familiar? This is a mallet that I did half in PLA and half in TPE. These mallets, the handles are made in PLA. This mallet head is printed with TPE, and this mallet is printed with TPU. Now let's see if the changes to the blocks sound any different. We'll first start off with the drumstick. Not much difference there. The TPU head, a little different. Now since both of these are in TPU, I'll do kind of a controlled one first. Not much difference there. Out of these 3, I think the wavy slit one shown the most sound differentiation. But what do you think? If you want me to try different variations, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.